The Midrash at the beginning of the Chumash says that God justified the creation of the world because of the mitzvah of Bikurim. Why is the mitzvah of Bikurim so important? I'd like to mention 3 points. Point number one is that the mitzvah of Bikurim envelops the entire person. And human activity fits into 3 categories. There's machshava, dibur, and masa. And Bikurim has all of the three. Bikurim, first of all, has dibur, speech, because of the mitzvah mikra bikurim. Secondly, it has action, which is maisa, because you have havas habikurim and trufa and fali hanoch al gabi mizbeach. And it has machshava, because at the end of the bringing of the bikurim, on his way out, the mevi is mishtachava, in which he's makabel ol malchus shamayim and accepts with his intellect the yoke of heaven. So all 3 dimensions of human activity and human personality are expressed and fulfilled in the mitzvah bikurim. But point number 2, the mitzvah bikurim is really a mitzvah of hakaras hatov, and specifically hakaras hatov for Eretz Yisrael. We don't realize how great our gift is that we have the land of Israel. We could live in the land. And therefore, when the Mevi Bikurim recites his mikra and he thanks Hashem for taking us out of Mitzrayim, bringing us into the land, everything comes from Hashem. We are totally recipients of God's chesed. And that's something that's critical. It's the main dimension of avodah. And number 3, what's special about Bikurim is the Mevi declares v'ata hine. Chazal say on the word hine b'simcha. This represents the greatest mitzvah of simcha. Simcha, the fact that Hashem gave us his bounty. And it's challenging to get to simcha. After all, the farmer put in so much work, and now these are his first fruits. He would love to share them with his family, but no, he fulfills the will of Hashem b'simcha. Yiratzon, that we can appreciate the mitzvah of Bikurim, in which all of our elements are encompassed and incorporated into our avodas Hashem, and especially hakaras hatov and simcha ken yiratzon. Shabbat shalom.